Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. You may have watched the video where we unboxed everything here. I just did a quick overview of the whole IMS kit like this for my 2023 Frontier. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go over just certain pieces of the kit in case you don't want the whole kit. Maybe you're looking for just a part. So let's get at it. All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the IMS shocks from Dobinsons. This is exactly how they come packaged. You got your little protective blue netting here just to keep everything from getting scratched up and stuff like that. They come with this little wire here, and what that is just to keep these things compressed in shipping. Just makes the box a little smaller, easier to deal with and stuff like that. You can see the pin or the wire just goes a little bit through the end here, through the eye. So push down on these, pop that out, and this thing will expand, ready to go on the truck, whatever you're installing these on. And then in the box, it comes with a couple little rubber bushings as well. This is truck specific. My truck, which is 2023 Frontier, it bolts similar to that on both sides. So those bushings are to go in this gap here, once of course the wire's out of the way. Some trucks, they have where it's like a bolt on the end. If your truck's that style, these will come with the bolt on the end, of course. And you can just put them in. It'll just bolt up into your truck like that. But again, mine is not like that on this truck. So they send you everything you need to install it properly. And of course, everything you get from Dobinsons has instructions. And you can see you have your bushings for the other one as well. So again, when you're ready to go with these, just remove the wire here, compress it, pop it out the end there, chuck it away. You won't need that anymore. Pull the blue off. This is your boot, rubber boot. It's got lots of spring to it. It's not flimsy. It's quite thick. It'll last a long time to protect it. Keep all the gunk and grime out of there. And then again, your bushings. If you have a truck like this, put them inside, and as you tighten that bolt up, it'll just compress it into place here, and everything will be protected and ready to go into your truck. So if you're looking at the IMS shocks, this is exactly what you get. If you are looking at these with the remote res, it's the MRR or MMR, I can't remember. This bolt right there, and that's the same as the front struts, will have a hose coming out of there to your remote res, and basically they're adjustable. It's more money than this one. If you're wanting to go that hardcore, I didn't need it at this time, but that is that. They're the same shocks. It will just have a hose coming out, and you can adjust everything with this thing. It's fully adjustable, three-way. You go check those out in other videos, or just go to these guys' website. They got lots of info on it. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to go over piece by piece of all these parts. So if you want to see this part specifically on the truck, make sure to like and subscribe. Go back, check out all the other videos on the other parts. And again, if you want to see the entire kit, it'll be on my 2023 Frontier here very soon. So if it's not already out, go back, make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss it. If it's out, lucky for you, go back and check out that video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully it helped you out. If you got any more questions, drop a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks for watching.